Ready to transform your insurance agency from a simple office into a local powerhouse and watch your client base explode? First, pinpoint your marketing sweet spot. What's the ideal area to focus on? Geographically speaking, think about areas with high population density, new housing developments, and community events. Research your competitors in the local area and know what makes you different. Next, it's time to shout about it. Develop a robust online presence, including all the major social media platforms. Regularly create engaging content, like helpful insurance tips, local news, and promotions. Don't just post, interact. Respond to comments and messages promptly, and build relationships. Then, get involved. Nothing builds trust like a visible presence. Sponsor local events, volunteer for charities, and attend community meetings. Partner with local businesses to offer exclusive deals and cross-promote your services. Become the go-to insurance agent in your area. Finally, and most importantly, focus on providing exceptional customer service. Word of mouth is powerful. Happy clients become advocates. Always prioritize building trust, being responsive, and providing custom solutions. By following these steps, you'll not only build clientele, but you'll establish a long-lasting, thriving State Farm business in your local community. Good luck.